President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. was in Ilocos Norte today, where he announced the largest budget in TESDA's history during the mass graduation of more than 1,000 scholars. The president also vowed to expand TESDA's training and scholarship programs to equip more Filipinos with the skills needed for better job opportunities and a changing economy. IBC News correspondent Harley Valbuena has more on the president's engagement in Ilocos Norte.
This year, bibigyan natin ang TESDA ng pinakamalaking budget sa kasaysayan ng TESDA. Halos 19 bilyong piso, 19 billion pesos ang inilaan natin para sa scholarship program upang mas marami pang Pilipino magkaroon ng pagkakataon, matuto at magkaroon ng magandang hanap buhay kagaya ng ating mga graduate ngayon.
This was the good news of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. at the mass graduation of over 1,000 scholars of TESDA in Ilocos Norte. They earned certificates under the TESDA Training for Work Scholarship Program and Special Training for Employment Program or STEP. In his speech, the President emphasized that investment in education and training is the most important towards a vibrant economy and bright future for the country. The President assured that training programs of TESDA will be expanded so talents and skills of more Filipinos will be honed. Among those to be enhanced are the Enterprise-Based Education and Training or EBET program, Tulong Trabaho Scholarship Program, TESDA Online Program, TVET for Social Equity Program, and TVET Micro-Credentialing. This aims to provide Filipino workers with the necessary set of skills for the changing world and modern technology. The President also praised teachers and the private sector who serve as partners of government in training the TESDA students. He then issues a call for TESDA graduates.
Use what you have learned and use this training that you have undergone so that you can improve not only your own lives, but not only the lives of your family, not only the lives of our communities, but also the lives of all Filipinos around the country.
Meanwhile, President Marcos Jr. also visited the Governor Roque B. Ablan Sr. Memorial Hospital in Lawag City to inspect the implementation of the government's healthcare programs, including the zero balance billing. Harley Valbuena, IBC News.